So good morning to all. So in this video I am going to explain how to write a Java program by using scanner class. So it is most important for a freshers to first know, or freshers or beginners whenever he is starting basically writing the programs. So how to write the program, as well as it is most important to know the structure of the Java program. So once you can understand the structure of the Java program, you can easily write the code. So let us try to write a program, that is addition of two number, by using scanner class. So as you already know that Java is known as object oriented programming language. So all the programs are written within a class. So every Java program must be written inside a class, and whatever the operation will be performed, that is basically using the objects. So you need to create the object of the class, and by using the object you have to perform the tasks. Either you want to call a methods or you want to call anything else. So that can be done by your creating objects. So if we compare a C program and Java program, in C program the first line will be the header files, but in Java program the first line will be import package. So the first line will be, I can write here, so I am writing here addition of two number. Let me write the name, that is addition of two numbers using scanner class, using scanner class, right? So the first line will be here import package. So that is import java dot util dot star, or in place of star you can write scanners. So what is the basic difference between util dot star and util dot scanner? That is that whenever you are writing util dot scanner, only scanner class of util package will be accessible, but whenever you are writing star, all the classes present in the util package will be easily accessible. So it is a good habit to write util dot stars whenever you are writing the codes. So next one is, after writing that one, you need to write the class within which you need to write your code. So that is class. Let me write here add. So inside the class I need to define my main methods in Java. That is nothing but your public static void main string, that will be S capital string, then args, that will be any argument of that type. Okay. So now inside the main method, now see how to write the program. As we know that whenever we are writing the program to add two numbers, we require basically three variables. So 1, 2 will be added, another will be stored the result. So the same thing will be followed here. Let me declare three variables, that is int a comma b comma another one is let sum. Sum is a variable which is basically used to store the result. So after that I need to give a message. In C programming I give a message printf enter two numbers. Similarly in Java I need to give a message here, that is system.out.println, system.out.println, that is enter two numbers. So enter two numbers, right? So the two number will be here a and b. So in C programming again we are inputting those two variables through scanner. So in this case in Java also we will do the same thing, but before that we need to create the object of scanner class, because we are using here scanner class, and scanner class is a method to input the data through the keyboards. So let us first create the object, that is scanner is the class, let ob is the object, equal to new is the operator we are using to allocate memory, new. Then scanner constructor we need to call here, that is scanner constructor, that is system.in, because we are using it for input, that is system.in. So now we have created the object, that is ob. So now we will input both the variable a and b. So just see how to input. So a equal to, what I will use here, ob is the object dot next in methods, next in method. So this method is basically used for inputting the variable. And the same way I can input b, that is b equals to ob dot next in and next int will be a single word having I capital next int methods, right? So now see, in this case I have created the object of scanner class. The object name is OB, and this is the way how you can create, that is scanner OB equal to new scanner system.in, and this OB can be anything, A B C D E F G, anything you can give. That is simply the name of an object. So A equal to OB dot next int, similarly B equal to OB dot next int. Now we have already completed the inputting of two variables. Two variables we have already input through the keyboard. Now the next task is to make addition. So that's very simple. That is sum equals to A plus B. So once the operation is completed, you need to display the variable where the result is stored, and we know that is nothing but your sum. Now display it. That is system dot out dot println. You can write sum equals to, this is the simple message, then we have joined this by using a plus, then the variable is nothing but your sum. Okay, so now you have declared the variable, you have given the message, you have created the object, then inputting of two variables, or you have received both the values through the keyboards, then addition operation, the next one is the variable display. Now just close the main method, then close the class. Then once you go into the output screen, what will be the structure there, or how it look like? When you run this one, it will ask you for the enter two numbers, right? That is enter two numbers. Suppose you enter, one is 12, another one is 15. So output will be, this is the message. This message must be there, that is sum equals to, so 12 plus 15, that will be 27. So this is the very simple way, this is the exact structure how to write a Java program. First you need to import the package, then you need to write your class, then main methods, and inside the methods you need to create the object, and through the object you need to input the variables. So in the next video I will come with some new programs by using scanner class. So thank you for